So yeah, my name is Harshidi Popat, and I have come here for digital awareness or sort of कि मुझे जानना था कि what is really there about what is digital marketing in detail and practical. I have been looking out for this for like past 2 years, and you could say I know the basics very well right now. So the reason why I came here was because मुझे इसको practically भी करना था. There are not very free sources you could allow you to go to that platform and do stuff for them. Google ads or normal ads or normal websites, they don't allow you that much of you could say liberty to go on that things and experiment for yourself. There are no mock-ups that you could follow on for that. And I would say this provided me the fun of doing and learning new things, having crazy curiosity about each things. And I mean, people here are so great, literally so great, especially that sir. So much thankful to him, so much grateful for him being the most honest and raw and being such a friendly, a person who you could just go after and you know now that he is not going to be that judgmental with you for you not knowing what you do not know already. If that makes any sense for you guys, I would literally love it if you come here and really experience it for yourself, because I would say this was one of my best experience. I made friends. I met a really very good friend here, and she's also one of the interns here. Like I'm not even really joking, bro. So yeah, she's one of them. I had a great mentor to teach us, and with that, I also had so many great friends and great experience about how all of this works. Really, like even for business to go on, if you are starting out and if you really, there are many people like me who would like to make their business more, you could say, presentable. And I think Raj sir showed us how it could be more presentable in a cutely manner. Doesn't mean, even he used to teach us thing on a proper base, on a pinpoint basis, where he was like, नहीं ये नहीं चलेगा वो नहीं चलेगा. He is that personalized in all of those stuffs, and he is like, नहीं तुम ऐसे करोगे तो उससे अच्छा रिप्लाई आएगा, इससे ये होगा, engagement बढ़ेगी. He has many plus points with that. I could say अगर personalized experience चाहिए, just come here guys.